This is part 2 of Felpham Kayakman, 10th of January 2013. It's part 2 because part 1 was the launch. Although I have to say, I'm still throbbing with excitement at the idea of being hit by a 3-foot wave. I think one should concentrate on what one's doing instead of aiming for an Oscar at the next kayaking Olympic Cannes Film Festival. I just swallowed my tongue, so I'll have to regurgitate it. Right, let's head out a little bit. This is glorious. For all you young dudes sitting at home playing Xboxes, you really should go for the real thing. It's 100 times more exciting. You're at one with nature, and it's good for the old whatever, endorphins, is it? Adrenaline, certainly. Now as we head out about 300 yards from the beach, heading towards a buoy that is a good point of focus if visibility is not great. A slight swell, but the swell's very separated. It's about every 12-13 seconds. So now we're out far enough to look around the point. In the distance you can see, we'll ignore Butlins, I mean it's the Millennium Dome, Child 1, but in the distance you can see Bognor Regis Pier, where I fished so much when I was a little toddler. Well, not a toddler, trying to cast from a wheelchair, from a pram or pushchair I should say. So I got water on the brain from the soaking that I got. Here's Jonathan Livingston Seagull. I'll wave my paddle just to see. Oh, it's a youngster. That's appropriate. Right, well, there's some paddling. We're now out on the water, sort of in the bay, if there was a bay. Visibility is closing in a bit, because in the distance is Selsey Bill, and you can't really see it. You can see past the pier to Pagham. Harbour's very good for fishing, incidentally, but I think this bit of visibility closing in, bit of a mist out there. Right, that'll do for part 2, so we're going to switch off.